TikTok to start labeling AI-generated content from OpenAI and other AI tools. TikTok, the popular short video platform, has announced to label AI-generated content on the platform soon. The labeling of the AI-driven content produced using OpenAI's ChatGPT or any other AI tool will be implemented automatically, as per the official announcement made by the company. The stamping of AI-generated content will be done through Content Credentials, a digital watermarking technology developed by the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity, TikTok said in a press release. Content Credentials attach metadata to content, which we can use to instantly recognize and label AI-generated content, company said, while adding that this capability started rolling out today on images and videos and will be coming to audio-only content soon. While AI-generated content has already been under threat by the platform, with content creators required to label their content if it contains realistic AI, the recently announced move will ensure labeling of AI-based content from other platforms. The crackdown against AI on TikTok emerges at a time when lawmakers and industry insiders urging to undertake preventative measures against the danger AI could bring around upcoming US election, considering the more frequent surface of deepfakes and misinformation, wherein mischievous individuals attempt to impersonate politicians and influential people. The Chinese social media platform also pledges to be part of the Content Authenticity Initiative, an Adobe-led group paving the foundations of standards to ensure that the images, videos, or audio clips produced digitally entail an element of transparency.